This school year, Illinois had over 4,000 teacher vacancies. Michigan had over 1,800. New Mexico, over 750. Illinois, New Mexico, and Michigan need more quality teachers to stay longer. The Golden Apple Foundation is a proven, scalable solution to meet those needs. We recruit, prepare, and retain exceptional teachers who stay in the classroom and make a positive impact on their schools and their students. And over 80% of scholars stay in teaching for 5+ years. Today, we have nearly 2,000 undergraduates, graduate students, and teachers active in our Scholar and Accelerators programs.
We are empowering educators to have the emotional intelligence, the pedagogical foundation and understanding, and the material resources needed to become teachers of merit.
Every Golden Apple Scholar completes our Scholar Institute, where they learn innovative skills and strategies for the classroom and practice putting them into play, so that they have the confidence to be ready on day one in the classroom.
The Golden Apple Scholars Program shifted the trajectory of my life and my journey as a lifelong educator. Golden Apple inspired me to challenge myself, believe in myself, and open doors that I didn't even know existed.
Our program participants represent the richness and diversity of the communities in which they serve throughout the entire state.
Nationally, 20% of public school educators are teachers of color, while 50% of Golden Apple Scholars throughout the history of the program are teachers of color. In 2020, we launched our Accelerators program, which was designed to meet the teacher shortage crisis across Illinois head-on by recruiting, preparing, and mentoring non-educators to switch to a career in teaching. The program currently serves over 130 aspiring teachers and will serve over 300 in 2024.
What I would love for people to know about the Golden Apple Accelerators program is that you're not too old, you're not too long away from education. Your dream, your passion, what you feel that you have inside of you to do, there is an avenue for you.
Alongside our high-quality preparation, Scholars and Accelerators receive mentorship from Golden Apple award-winning teachers and become part of a larger community of educators.
I've reached out when teaching has gotten really hard for me and I needed somebody who understood what that meant, and I reached out to my Golden Apple community. And I can also count on them to help me with any lesson plans, activities, things like that. It's just a great network of people that you get to build that understand the process that you're going through and that you can really trust.
Our solutions work, and our communities need more Golden Apple teachers, not just in Illinois. That's why we expanded to New Mexico in 2022 and Michigan in 2023. This year, we will induct our 5,000th Teacher Preparation Program participant. Golden Apple is committed to building a better future because every student deserves an excellent teacher.
I want to see all kids grow, no matter where they come from, what background they come from. I want to see all kids grow and become the best potentially that they can be, no matter if it's like they're going to college or they're going into the workforce, they're going into the Army. As long as they have expand their full potential, that's all I can ask for a teacher, and is try your best and do everything you can to be the best person you can be.